The phrase, "Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally," is used by many students to remember the order of operations. The order in which operations should be performed is given below. Parentheses. Operations within parentheses and other groups should be simplified before all other operations. Exponents. Exponents and roots should be simplified. Work these from left to right. Multiplication and division. Operations involving multiplication and division should be simplified. Work these left to right. Addition and subtraction. The last operations to be simplified are addition and subtraction. Work from left to right. Simplify. 7 minus 4 times bracket 8 plus 3, parentheses, 5 minus 3, close parentheses, squared, close the bracket. Start by working inside the parentheses. 5 take away 3 is 2. Now, since the parentheses are simplified, we will move to the next group, brackets. Inside the brackets, we have 8 plus 3 times 2 squared. The operations are addition, multiplication, and exponent. Apply the exponent first. Then multiply and finally add. After performing these operations, we are left with 7 minus 4 times 20. Multiply 4 times 20 to get 80. Then 7 minus 80 is equivalent to 7 plus a negative 80, or negative 73. In the second example, you want to consider each portion of the fraction as a separate group. The numerator, negative 5 minus 4 squared, should be simplified as a group, and the denominator, negative 4 squared minus 3 squared, should be simplified as another group. Perform exponents before adding or subtracting. In the numerator, 4 squared is 16. In the denominator, negative 4 squared is positive 16, and 3 squared is 9. Change the subtraction in the numerator to addition. Negative 5 minus 16 becomes negative 5 plus a negative 16, which is negative 21. 16 minus 9 is 7. Reduce the fraction by dividing. Negative 21 divided by 7 is negative 3. Test your knowledge by opening up the Test Yourself activity.